This jump demonstration shows how to perform logistic regression. We'll use the penicillin data from the sample data folder. Let's begin by going to Analyze, Fit Y by X. Response is the response variable, and log of dose is the X variable. Notice that the target level is died. Also notice that count has the frequency role, so it's been populated automatically. Then I'll click OK. The response axis of the graph represents the probability that the response variable equals died. It's high for low log dose, and it decreases as log dose increases. The whole model is significant at alpha equals 0.05, indicating the association between log dose and the probability of died. The parameter estimates are the intercept and slope estimates for a linear model of the logit of the probability of died by log dose.